Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to find all the email addresses linked to our Google account. So let's check it out. Google might change the steps for this process in the future. If the options appear different when you are watching this, kindly let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this along with the @gmail.com email address we create for our Google account. We will also have several email addresses associated with our account. It is good to review them frequently and change or remove them. To do this on our mobile, we have to take our smartphone and open the Google app. We have to make sure that we have logged in using our required Google account here. Then select the profile pic icon. Go to manage your Google account. Here we have to scroll down a bit and we will have personal info. We have to select that. And here we have to select email. On this page, we can see all the emails associated with our Google account. Google account email, recovery email, contact email, alternative emails and about me emails. We can see all the emails here. For some email addresses, we will get the option to change them as well. And if you want to do this on your desktop, then we have to open a web browser and go to google.com, log in using your required Google account, then select the profile pic icon, go to manage your Google account. Here we have to go to personal info and then go to email. So here we can see all the emails linked to our Google account. That's all. These are the steps to find all the email addresses linked to our Google account. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.